And what did sweet Veruca say?
Daddy,
yes?
buy me North Korea.
Oh, when Veruca says
Buy!
it's like a battle cry. And when Veruca says
Mine!
well, I've jelly for a spine. And if Veruca said
Please.
I'd know it.